Hi, Dr. Imran here with SpringCure, and today I want to share with you a couple of really important studies that have been done over the past couple of years. One study out of Harvard showed that people who drink sugar-sweetened beverages such as sodas have a 23% higher risk of cardiovascular disease. That's pretty dramatic. 23% higher risk of getting heart attacks or having atherosclerosis in your coronary vessels. That's pretty serious. Now, another study out of the University of Iowa showed that artificially sweetened beverages actually can increase your risk of cardiovascular disease by as much as 30% and increase your risk of dying from cardiovascular disease by 50%. So these choices, when you're deciding on what to drink, are really unhealthy. When scientific evidence shows you that your risk increases by anywhere from 23 to 50% of heart disease, then you want to make sure that you change your habits on this. Hope that helps, and we'll see you at the next video.